The next method in WebDriver interface is getTitle method. What title means? Okay, so if I launch any website, okay, I am launching a website called Amazon. Okay, so when I launch the website amazon.in, you can see on the top left of the browser you can see online shopping site in India, like that. Okay, so that is called the title of the web page. So for Amazon site, what it is coming, online shopping site, okay, in India, like that. Okay, so this is called as title of Amazon site. So we have to find that title using Selenium automation. So that title will get by using getTitle method. Okay, so we will now see the points about getTitle method. Yeah, so we already know that this method is declared in WebDriver interface. Okay, and yeah, this method implemented in will provide bodies to those methods. Remote WebDriver class. Okay, so it don't take any arguments. Next is return type is, so we should get the title. So the return type is, so it has the return type string. Okay, so what we can do with this get title, so it is useful to get title of current browser window or tab. So it will fetch the title of the current browser window or tab. So what is the syntax? Driver dot get title, so it should be in camel case, method semicolon, so it will return a string type. So I am storing that string which we got when the driver calls get title method. So when driver calls get title method, it will returns string value. So it will return the string value. This value will be stored, so this value will be stored in X object. Okay, this value type is string. So this is 1, this is 2, this will be 3. Yeah, we'll now see the program to get the title. Okay, so I will create a class in same project. Get title. Why it is saying the error? Because the class name should always start with uppercase. getTitle method, I'm taking main method. So our compiler will start executing the code by checking the main method. Okay, so we know how to download the driver software and launch the browser. So this is the code to download the driver software, which is WebDriver Manager edgedriver.setup, and how to launch the browser. Edgedriver equal to new edgedriver. We will create an object to the edgedriver constructor method. By using edgedriver constructor method, we will create an object to edgedriver class. Okay, so how to launch the URL? Driver.get method is used to launch the URL of the site. I'm launching amazon.in site. Okay, yeah, so I'm taking 5 seconds to launch the site fully. Okay, so how to get the title of the page? Driver.getTitle. So what is the return type of getTitle method? The return type is string. Okay, so always remember, when equal to sign came, right side will run first, that is driver.getTitle will run first, then it will give the string value as a return type that will be stored in the X object. Okay, I'm taking X as object here. Driver.close. So I'm closing the current browser window tab. So I am running the program. Okay, so edgedriver software will be downloaded first, then Edge browser will be launched. Edge browser is opened, Amazon site is launched. Yeah, after 5 seconds it will be closed, the browser will be closed. Yeah, done. So we will see the output. So we got an error. Let's see, connection reset error, socket exception. So that error is like for the version error. So I have not taken any output in my console, so I will take the output, what title we will get after taking the. Okay, so I'm printing the title which we got after running the getTitle method. Okay, in the console. Yeah, so closing the browser after launching the site after 5 seconds. Yeah, you can see the same title we have seen after launching the Amazon site. That is the title of the amazon.in site. Like this, you can get the title of every website by using getTitle method. Okay,